Blazing Deathman Ramon. Tadi dulu. Ini guys, belum gua iniin. Nanti lah ya grindingnya. Apa mau nanti gue bikin video gitu kali ya? Biar pada lu tahu aja. Farm Demon. This is a good spot to make our base. Now we just have to deal with the 8 chosen children. Find them as soon as possible. Ini di Odaiba kan? Di Odaiba kan? Oh, udah pada ngumpul mereka. So like there was an awful commotion around here. They've been talking about it's non-stop on the morning news. So the only one we're still waiting for would be tinggal si Sajo. Dia selalu telat kah? He gets here. Oke, kita pakai Sora guys. Ntar siapa nih? So we go. I've been busy programming on my computer. Oh ya, gue lupa. Di sini si Koshiro cuma nggak diceritain semua ya guys. Di anime kan ada scene dimana dia beli kunci buat kunci pintu kamar ya. Iya, apa nanti ya? Lupa gue. Udah lama main game ini. Save dulu deh. Oh, sedih guys. Salah gue. Let's go. Dapat achievement naik bonding ya. Sora, I'm gonna spend my vacation playing at my grandpa's house. Oh wow, where does she live? She live in Shimane. Save dulu. Where is Shimane sih? Marah dia anjing. Salah gue. Taking. Sound fun. It'll be lots of fun. I'm sure you'll get surprised, Patamon. Naik bonding, let's go. Ini orangnya bersahabat dia tuh. Ini sama si Yamato. It's a nice day out today. On a day like this, I want to go out for a drive and play some music. Would you take some lunch too? Ini sih menurut gue. Awkward situation. Pinter nih kasih jawabannya. Bondingnya naik lagi. Ride in a car too. Well, if we have time, we'll take you driving. Yay! But only if you are Cinnamon. Iyalah, pada takut aja. Mimi. There really is no place like home. I have food here and a nice cool room. And when you open the fridge, there's cola. Mimi, oh di kayak makanan atau minuman favorit cola anjir. Mimi, you haven't even left the house once since we got back. You're tired from all that walking in the Digimon world, are you? I'm staying home this summer vacation. I won't take a single step out the door. Are you gonna get fat? Menurut gue itu sih. You're right. Salah guys. Itu adalah jawaban pertanyaan yang membuat wanita marah. Jangan pilih itu. wanna drink juice and lie on the beach. Haha, but that's not very different from what you do at home. But it's a good idea. I'll ask Papa. Anak mama papa dia nih. Tinggal Taichi. It's been a while since I've been able to play soccer. I put off some nice dribbles, even though you haven't been near a ball in so long. Yeah, all that training in the digital world must have made me a better athlete. Did you improve at soccer too, Sora? I don't know, I haven't been able to get to a ball lately, so I really have no idea. I wanna play soccer too. Okay, then let's have a match someday. Yeah, sounds fun. Nggak naik. Nah, ini si Joe nih. Oh ya, di sini Joe yang paling tua ya. Dia kelas 6 deh kalau nggak salah. Kalau yang lain kelas 5 kalau nggak salah. Sorry, I had a bit of a hard time finding my old class roster. Someone clearly taking it easy. The egg child witnessed the Digimon incident in Hikarigaoka 4 years ago, just like we did. Oh, di sini tuh jadi anak-anak ini pada ngumpulin apa? Ngumpulin nomor telepon ya dari teman-temannya mereka nih masing-masing. Jadi tuh sama kayak kita, bukan kita sih, gua lah dulu. Dulu tuh ada yang namanya Yellow Page guys, buku tebel banget, melebihi kamus bahasa Indonesia aja tebel. Jadi tuh isinya tuh buku nomor-nomor telepon orang yang ada di Indonesia gitu. Apa yang di Jabodetabek ya? Gue lupa dah. Pokoknya gue bisa nemuin nomor saudara gue yang gak gue tahu di situ. Nomor telepon rumah ya. Dulu tuh kan masih marak pakai telepon rumah ya. Kayak gitulah. Sama kayak mereka gini lah. Nyarinya kayak gitu. For that reason, I believe that today we should split up and try searching this area. Got it. That should be good, even though it's burning hot out here. So what should I do with the roster iPhone? There's a high possibility that the egg child name is in there. Please call each of them and ask them if they were in Shibaura last night. I have summer classes starting tomorrow. I'll take care of the phone calls as soon as possible. But let me stay home instead of going out to look for them. That's not fair, Joe. I can help it. I've got entrance exam. Oh, dia ada ujian masuk. Give you my share as well. Here's the directory for Wakaba Kindergarten. Good idea. Here's the register for elementary. Do a good job. Jadi kan di sini tuh mereka dibagi ke kedua kelompok lah yang buat nyari di sekitaran daerah ini gitu loh. Nah, si Jo nggak bisa ikut karena dia ada tes masuk SMP, berarti ya, tes masuk SMP dia. Nah, jadi dia nggak bisa ikut. Jadi semua orang ini, yang lainnya ini pada ngasih ini gitu loh, data nomor telepon buat dihubungi sama Jo, data nomor telepon teman-teman mereka. Kasian banget anjir. Bayarnya mahal tuh teleponnya. Don't worry, I'm gonna make other people do my work. You're a nice guy. I bet he actually just couldn't find his directory. Iya kan, Taichi tuh ini karena dia sekelas sama Sora, makanya dia nggak ngasih nomor teleponnya juga. Jadi Sora udah ngasih duluan kan. Jadi ya buat apa Taichi ngasih lagi? Karena dia sekelas anjir. Udah gitu masih berkata, tenang aja, gue tuh bukan orang yang suka ngasih kerjaan ke orang, gitu aja. Okay, let's split up and find the egg child. Good luck everyone. Okay then, good luck guys. Let's look together, Takeru. Okay, I'll go with you. Oni-chan, Mimi, let's go search for the egg child together. Where are you going, Tailmon? To search for the egg child. It's our mission, right? Trying to take all the credit, huh? Ini berdua rival jatuh ya guys, bukan temen sahabat karib tuh, sahabat pena bukan aja. Sebenarnya tuh Pico de Bion benci banget sama si Tailmon karena Tailmon tuh ya yang lebih deket lah ke Pamdemonnya gitu, sering dipuji-puji gitu, sedangkan dia kagak gitu. Dan dia pun lebih kuat gitu. You think the eggshell is always going to stay in one place? If you think they move, then go look somewhere else. Hahaha. He's a little bat who's always trying to kiss up to Pamdemon. Even when ini nih flashback kan nih. Even when I was still in my child form, plot 1, Pamdemon always worked me to the bone. And if anything went wrong, he would beat up. Harusnya ada ininya nih, scene-nya ya, gini doang. Because he doesn't like my eyes. Karena dia nggak suka mataku, katanya. I was born with them. I can't help it. Born, I don't even remember where I was born. Gue nggak ingat. Bahkan gue nggak ingat kenapa gue bisa dilahirkan. Or what I was doing before I met Pamdemon. Tailmon. Siapa nih? Oh ini siapa? Wizardmon ya? Reminiscing an old time. Wizardmon, didn't I tell you not to read my mind without my permission? Oh jadi tuh si Wizardmon bisa membaca pikirannya si Tailmon. Apologies, I didn't mean to. I'm going to go look for the Eggchild. Jadi dia udah tahu duluan kayaknya. Tahu apa? Ya nanti lihat aja. Orangnya sama-sama aja. Oh, are we supposed to look for the Eggchild? For now, we should ask people if they're ever like live in Hikarigaoka. That sounds like a lot of work. 30 menit kemudian. There's a fast food joint over there. Sora, why don't we rest up for a bit? We have to take this seriously, Mimi. Setelah 30 menit berikutnya yang lainnya gimana sih bahasanya tuh? Why do I have to do this? We just got home and yet. Let's take a short break. Can be helped, I guess. Last night I was in a room with a fluffy bed and air conditioning. It's really great being at home. And the food was delicious. Yeah, it was the first time I ever tried. Mama cooking was so delicious. The food at Sora house was delicious too. Sora mom seems like a very nice person. You think so? Thanks. Anyway, back to work. Sora, why don't we go someplace where lots of people gather? Itu tuh yang merah-merah. Tokyo Tower. It's so nice and cool. I love being in place with air conditioning. Gila bocah AC banget dia. I think it have an ulterior motive. This place is really crowded. Sangat padat tempat ini. Ini karena tempat ini adalah tourist attraction ya, menarik turis gitu. Menarik bagi turis mungkin gitu ya. Hey Sora, your house is over here, right? Yeah, this is the world we live in. Mimi, isn't it a bit hot? Mulai panas. Yeah, maybe the air conditioning doesn't work as well around here. Is the air conditioner broken? Mulai panas nih ceritanya. AC-nya rusak apa ya katanya. Wah, udah musik kayak gini lu tahu kan apa yang bakal terjadi? Nah, pasti ada ya Digimon. Yeah, it's a Digimon. Dead Meramon. Kalau di Inggrisnya School Meramon ya. The things we can do is fight him. Di dalam loh, gila. Apa nggak meleleh tuh Tokyo Tower. Tiba-tiba di luar. Let's go. Gak mungkin api dilawan api dong. Cuman kita tes aja ya. Karena kita orangnya suka ngetes ya. Kan dia api ya. Meramon tuh api. Tidak sakit ternyata guys. Ih, revenge. Gokil. Revenge tuh kayak counter tapi lebih lemah kayaknya. Coconut punch. Shit man. Aduh, dia ada revenge lagi, bahaya guys. Heavy metal fire. Sakit guys. Eagle Claw deh boleh. Aku nasai. Mahajab. Aduh, gak ada rasanya guys. Aduh, heavy metal fire bahaya banget dah. Eagle Claw aja dah. Tebel ya guys. Coconut punch please, kena dong. Biar cepet mati aja gitu. Aku nasai gitu kan. Aku nasai. Kena break dia. Sebenernya gak ada rasanya sih. Apa karena dia ultimate ya? Aku nasai. Aku nasai. Aku nasai. Miss bro. Aduh, ini revenge mulu lagi ya. Aku nasai. Shadow Wing aja deh. Langsung ini. Jalannya lama guys. Wow, bahaya guys. Aku nasai. Gonna die. Naik level kali bos. Gila, speed sama ini nggak naik guys. Speed sama ini ATK nggak naik. By 2 level 1 alley. We did it. Well, we managed to make it out of that one somehow. But to think is appear in a tourist attraction with so many people around. Let's hurry. We have to find the egg child. Gila ya. Langsung semangat gitu si Mimi. Karena bertemu dengan bahaya. Oh, teman. They're a peaceful lot. Miko, where are you? Miko, where are you? Are you Agumon's friends? Wah, terlalu mencolok sih ini. How did she know about Agumon? Could she be the egg child? I really don't think she's a normal kid. Best to just get rid of her now. Wah, udah dicurigain nih. Apakah dia anak ke-8? Diikutin sama dia. Oh, lu lagi ya? Ketahuan. Sini. Wah, nyaman kayaknya tuh. Are you gonna come back again? Apa lu ntar balik lagi? There isn't enough evidence. Si Excel belum cukup apa ya, bukti kalau dia adalah anak ke-8 gitu. Tapi anaknya itu kenapa gue dapat feeling tentang dia gitu.